Kristine Southern, and I recently purchased a home from Rudy Kusuma's home selling team. I actually had a really good experience buying the home. It was my first home, and Kristine Southern was on top of everything, and we pretty much closed within 21 days, and we beat out multiple offers. He actually referred us to a lender as well, which really helped out because we were able to get qualified before we even put in the offer. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the service that we got from Rudy Kusuma and the team. So I would definitely recommend them to friends and family or anybody who's looking for a home now.